Hey investors, welcome to this tutorial showing you how to transfer your stocks or assets from another broker into your new Fidelity account. This will be the simplest, most straightforward tutorial on YouTube, so please drop the video a like if it's helped you out. There are two things that you'll need to know before we get going on this tutorial. The first is that you will need an active Fidelity account to be able to transfer your assets in, so if you do not have that yet, please pause the video and set that up now. The second will be is that you cannot have any money moving around in the brokerage that you're looking to transfer your assets out of. So make sure your stocks are purchased and your money is settled in that account. So with that being said, let's get right into it. The first thing that you're going to want to do is head into the Accounts and Trade tab and go down to the fifth option called Transfer. Under Transfer, you're moving your money into your Fidelity account, so you'll tap that button there and go to the bottom of the screen where it says transfer your assets to Fidelity. It'll show you a few different things asking if transferring your assets is right for you, but you guys are going to want to hit start a transfer. They offer a number of different very common firms in here that you guys may already have. But say you're using a less common firm, a lot of millennials use Robinhood, so we can type that in and select a less common firm to do our transfer from. It will list your current firm here, make sure that's correct. You'll find your account number on your financial statements. Pretty much any financial statement that you have from your previous firm, you can find your individual account number. You'll type that in. You guys will be doing most likely an individual account. Some other circumstances may apply, and for that, click not sure what to choose, but individual accounts are pretty basic accounts owned by one person for general investing purposes. Click next, select an existing account. It will confirm your account already exists in Fidelity that you're transferring the money into. Do you want to transfer all of your assets? That's a question for you to answer yourselves. I will select yes. Download a recent PDF statement from your Robinhood securities or take a paper photo of the statement. This is for the Fidelity team, I believe, to just clarify and make sure that your account number matches up. So they are pulling the assets from the correct account, and in the background, they can do everything they need to as efficiently as possible. It's as easy as downloading some tax forms, any document that they can provide, uploading it, and selecting next. Your transfer details will be placed up here for review. Make sure the from is correct, your previous account number, and it will be going into your current Fidelity account number there. You're transferring all your assets. You'll have a huge agreeing to terms form, and I'm not going to click agree and submit because I've already transferred my assets into Fidelity, but you would finish the process right there in that option. Now, Fidelity will take about 7 to 10 business days to complete the transfer of assets. In that time, I don't recommend trying to buy and sell things, as your account that you're transferring it out of will slowly become frozen and you'll start to see some weird discrepancies in the numbers. So I just let mine sit during that process. The great thing about Fidelity is their customer service is fantastic. So what they will do if you ask them over the phone is they'll probably reimburse you for the transfer fee that some of these brokerages will charge. You don't want to sell all your stocks and then rebuy them in Fidelity because you'll run into some tax issues. You'll have to pay tax on the gains that you may have had in those accounts. So that's why you're going to want to do a straight transfer using this tutorial. So if you guys have any questions, please leave them down below. I will answer every single one that I can in the comments. Thanks.